Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ripple XRP instantly, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase this cryptocurrency quickly through convenient payment methods. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange that offers instant XRP purchases with credit or debit cards, such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Uphold. Step 2. Create an account on your chosen platform and complete the basic verification process. Some exchanges allow limited instant purchases before full verification. Step 3. Navigate to the buy section and search for XRP or Ripple. The platform will display the current XRP price and market data. Step 4. Select credit card or debit card as your payment method for instant processing. Link your card by entering the card details and billing information. Step 5. Enter the amount of XRP you want to purchase or the fiat amount you wish to spend. Review the exchange rate and fees, noting that instant purchases typically cost more. Step 6. Confirm the purchase and complete any additional security verification such as 3D secure authentication required by your card issuer. Step 7. Submit the transaction, which processes within seconds. Your XRP will appear in your exchange wallet immediately. Consider transferring larger holdings to a personal wallet for enhanced security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.